Hi guys, we have here the Hemingworth Color Card Color Select. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the product you receive when you order this online. It's a high quality color chart. Let's go ahead and open this up. See how the color charts look. As you can see here, it goes along with their fabric as well. So nice vibrant colors. There, let's see, there's about how many choices here? 11, we're at 11, 13, so there's 13 pages, or maybe there's more, let's see. Oh yeah, there's more, I guess, to get the color card directly, but it's 13 pages of colors, fabrics you can look at. Yeah, so about 13 from the Hemingworth, and yeah, a few other pages just to get the color codes correct. So amazing color selection for those who need this. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.